Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on ZTE Blade A54. So you have to start with opening your settings application. Now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now select child or teenager and then click next. Now click on add or create account for your child. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Now click I agree. And now click on more and accept. Now you have to select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now you can click next. And now scroll down and click next. Now click next. And here you can click install family link, or you can click skip and then you can install this app manually. And now click on review controls. And that's it. Now your parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.